Welcome back to another video, guys. I'm so excited to see you guys once again because you know I love it when you come into my kitchen, bitch. Yes. So we're gonna be actually making one of my favorite dishes. This recipe is from my stepmother herself because you know damn well I fucking love her cooking. Para el partido de hoy vamos a hacer algo que se llama morisqueta. We're gonna be making something called morisqueta. So morisqueta consists of refried beans, white rice that you can choose to do either chile con carne or chile con queso. There's a total two different options that you can totally do. This is literally my favorite dish besides albóndigas. Y'all know that albóndigas have a special place in my heart, but when it comes to morisqueta, like I cannot explain to you how much I love this shit. I will literally eat this shit the whole fucking week just because I love, emphasis on the L-O-V-E. Love morisqueta. I love her chile con carne. It's the fucking best. Like, don't get me wrong, my mama makes some good ass morisqueta, but my stepmother, she takes a motherfucking cake. So this is why I really like making this dish because it's super inexpensive. The ingredients are pretty cheap. It's pretty simple to make. It's fucking delicious, and you can honestly make a fat ass pot. Bitch, you can last your whole fucking week. But with that being said, I'm gonna shut the hell up now and we're gonna get started on this video because here I have my pot with just water inside. I'm gonna add my vegetables so they can boil while I'm prepping the rest of my stuff. So I'm actually gonna add a couple of chile serrano. This is a fat ass chile serrano. Holy shit! Look how thick this bitch is. All right, so we're gonna add a couple of chile serranos. So we have what 3 in there. We have 4. We're gonna add a couple of chile jalapenos. So we're gonna add 3 in there. Now I know it may be a little too spicy for y'all, but I'm trying to breathe fire out of my ass. So y'all know how Mexicans are. We cannot eat our food if it's not fucking spicy. I'm gonna add some tomatillos in there. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 tomatillos, and I'm gonna add my tomatoes. There's 4 tomatoes in there, and now I'm gonna add a couple of garlic teeth or garlic cloves, however you want to call it. Throw those bad boys in there. Make it nice. Look, she's nice and filled, just like me, bitch. All right, so you'll notice that when this shit is pretty much cooked is when like the tomatoes will start to peel and stuff like this. I'm actually gonna throw this bad boys in here, and then just poke it with a knife, and then your what's it called? Your chili should be soft also. Pro tip: grab a little bit of the water that from the pot itself because it carries some of that jalapeno flavor in the tomato, the tomatillos in there. So add a little bit of that. So here we're gonna add some salt in there. And then we're gonna add some, let me tell you. You already know we're gonna add this because we add this shit to everything. So don't act brand new. And if you're new to my channel, say hello to your best friend because we'll be using her a lot. So the chicken consomme, you know damn well I love fucking with the chicken consomme. This is from Knorr's, the big bad boy, the big K. All right, so we're gonna add a little bit of this into there because you know you can't go missing. And then we're gonna pop it in the blender and we're gonna liquefy it. Ooh, bitch, let me tell you, look at this. She looks cute. She looks like throw, I'm not gonna lie. But, oh, bitch, that is good. We should have fired tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, we are. I'm not gonna lie to you. I fucked it up on the salsa because that shit is delicious, bitch. Ooh, it's so spicy, it's so good. Y'all don't even know how excited I am to finish this motherfucking dish. We're gonna turn on the heat. Bring it to a medium heat. We're gonna bring one of my big bad boy pans. Cute little pan, cute little pot I got for like what, 12 bucks at Ross. In the meantime, we're going to add a drizzle of olive oil. We're gonna add cute little drizzle of olive oil onto the pan, not too much. Here we have beef chuck steak, what we call yes mio. This is a little over a pound and a half of yes mio. So literally I just cut it up into like little cubes all around kind of the same size just because you kind of wanted them to, there you go. You kind of want them to cook all evenly. So yeah, see little squares, we got little squares, bitch. A little rectangle up in here. So, and all I did, and y'all might be upset with me, but literally all I did was just season it with salt. Because I promise you the salsa carries so much flavor, so literally all you need is just a generous amount of salt, not too much. And leave it out for like 10 minutes before you put it in the pan, that way like it all cooks nice and even. So we're gonna put our more drizzle of olive oil. Yeah, with a pot like this shit, you kind of have to keep stirring it around. If not, it's gonna go stale. Alright, now that we got our meat nice and brown right before it starts to dry out, because this shit will dry out. We're gonna add this. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Come on here, mama. We coming to party, bitch. Let's do this. Alright, we're gonna give it a turn. We're gonna lower the heat. And there she is in her whole fucking glory. Look at her. Girl, she came here to party, bitch. She didn't come here to be your friend, girl. I gotta give the taste test, baby. Well, the pre-taste test. Magic, bitch. Let me tell you, this shit is spicy, but not like too bad. Cause you know there's some types of spicy where it's like you can't handle it. It's not even enjoyable. Like you can't enjoy your food. Like no, this is the good amount where it's like before you like jump over the cliff, bitch. Like that type of spicy. My stepmother would be so proud. Fuck yes, let's do this, bitch. All right, let's get ready for the taste test, bitch, because you know we want to taste some motherfucking food. Oh, and look, let me show you how pretty my rice came out. I usually don't make pretty rice, but today she came out pretty cute. Look at her. Yes, queen. We're delighted to see you. Look at that beautiful grain, bitch. Yes. All right, so the way we prep it is that we put our white rice at the bottom. Sorry, I'm gonna add more rice because I'm a big girl. I love to fucking eat. All right. Next, we add our carne con chile. Put that on top. Look at her. Yes, queen. Get some of that protein in there. You're trying to get big, girl. You can't forget some of that salsa, baby. Yes. And then we top it off with some sour cream. And there you go. Alright, taste test! Alright, baby, let's do this fucking thing. Now, I know that some of y'all at home be thinking, where the fuck are the frijoles? I promise you, I didn't have any. Well, I actually had beans. Bitch, I did have beans. Wow, I had fucking pinto beans this whole time. Alright, so next time we'll make it with pinto beans. Sorry, I had beans in a can. I thought I only had beans in a can, and I told myself like that would be so disrespectful to my culture. My ancestors would be so upset right now. So I wasn't gonna fucking eat no fucking beans from a motherfucking can. So with that being said, bitch, let's do this. Alright, ready? Alright, let's do this. Guys. Oh my god, my god, my god. Yeah, this meal is nice and tender, it's juicy, it's flavorful. Great amount of salt, bitch. The rice, bitch, she's nice and soft and fluffy just like me, girl. Just like these motherfucking ass cheeks. Alright, she's cute. Were y'all surprised that we're gonna fuck it up in the kitchen? Because I wasn't. I will say this though, I made this dish, this is my third time making it, so I had a little bit of practice in there. Now I know that some of y'all may have noticed, I have some leftover salsa. Bitch, no problem. I have these cute ass mason jars that I bought when I first moved in. So literally, save this bitch. Save her up. I got a lid and everything, girl. Pop the top back on. Close the bitch. Date the bitch, because oh, there you go. You can date it. You can date it. Pop it in the fridge. You can literally pour it for some salsa for next time with some chips. Oof! Don't even get me started. The ideas you can make with this shit. With that being said, guys, thank you once again for watching another video. Thank you for coming back to my kitchen. I love seeing you guys here. I hope that you guys love seeing me here. So remember to watch this bitch right here because she's kind of a cutie, you know. She's one of my favorite videos, you know. Or you can watch this little girl right here. She's kind of cute. She's kind of precious. You can definitely watch this one right here. She's a little cutie patootie with a big old booty. And then remember to subscribe right here, baby, because this is where the party's at, bitch.